Okay, there you go. So now, we've done that. So now we'll switch it up. Now we'll go right foot pivot and we'll slide step going the other way. So take the ball off the chair here, right foot pivot, elevate up and down in the same spot. Okay, now the next drill that we'll do is we'll do a jab, step, step over. So all of our terminology for the most part is exactly what we want our guys to do. So we don't confuse it. Jab, step, step overs is fairly simple to understand. So what we'll do is we'll have a left foot pivot here. This time we'll take the chair, take the ball off the chair, and we're going to jab step. We're always talking to our guys about jab stepping at the goal. A lot of times players jab step and they'll throw it out to the side like that. If you're a good defender, you can jab step this way, you can go this way, and step before the defense moves. The defense can take one step and still be in front of you. So we want to make sure that we take that jab step and we go straight ahead. So what we'll do is we'll start on this blue three-point line. We'll take the ball, we'll throw it to the inside of our knee here, jab step here, pull it back across our body, and go 2 bounces to the left. Jab step, step over, pivot. There you go, do a couple more of those. Jab step, step over, pivot. Okay, now a couple of things we always talk about also is making sure we keep our head up so we can see the floor. You know, a lot of times when you have players out there, they get the basketball for whatever reason they think they're on the court by themselves. There's 9 other players out there with them, so they have to make sure they have good awareness. So we make sure we have our head up, and a lot of times also, we also drop our inside shoulder. So if I'm making this move here, this boom here, and I want to drop that inside shoulder to give the appearance that I'm trying to turn the corner. But it also helps me get back square where I can go up and down in the same spot to shoot the shot. Just a couple of those in tight angles.